day to court to stand by my seller. Sometimes acts of God happen in our area. Nobody predicted it, never happened before, but for some reason the buyers just think that the sellers knew it would happen and were hiding something. We're waiting on the bridge. So here's the scoop. The buyer got water in the basement and thought that the seller was not disclosing this stuff. She accused the seller of knowing that there was flooding. So in the end, the buyer also had to say that they had an inspection. The inspector suggested that possibly in spring there might be wet or dampness on the walls in our area. Well, the judge didn't have much sympathy for her because it was disclosed. She had opportunity to do more inspections, but she chose not to, and she chose to move forward with the deal. The seller, in the 9 years he had lived there, had never had water in the basement. The governor of our state put that it was a state of emergency because we had this huge amount of flooding that year. As an agent, all I can do is go there and testify to the forms and to my knowledge of what the forms stand for. In the end, the judge asked me a few questions, asked what the difference between flooding and seepage and leakage was, kind of reiterated all that stuff, and then he ruled in favor of the defendant. So it's good for defendants and sellers to disclose everything. I tell people, even if it's small and you fixed it, disclose it, because this could come back to bite you later and you don't want to have to go to court. In the end, the seller was so relieved. He was very thankful that I was there for support, having the knowledge of the forms and the situation. So, you know, in the end, you got to do what's best for your people and be there for them.
Jamie Brad, thank you.